and cut you off. Don't want to slip and fall in love, but we connect like what the fuck.
Hello guys! Welcome back to another travel vlog. So today we are going back to Siargao, and this time magbabaylan ulit tayo using a private car, and this is our second trip or second travel to Siargao as a family. This will be my third time actually. So right now it's time check, it's already what time? 9:30 in the morning. We left Davao at around 8:40, something like that, and now we are in Panabo. So update ko kayo kung ilang oras tayo magta-travel with our stopover. So yeah, catch you later.
Ba, ini bersaraman.
Hi guys, so update tayo. We are now in Monte Vista. Time check, it's 11:23. Hindi namin kayo na-update. Nag-stop over tayo sa Mawag kasi bumili tayo ng bibingka. So ayun, time is 11:30. We are now having our merienda at the moment sa car. So guys, nandito na kami sa Trento. Time now is 12:08. And malayo pa ang ating travel. Dito na kami sa San Francisco. We're gonna have our quick lunch. Update tayo. We are now in Cabadbaran and we are like 2 hours away from Surigao Port. So ayun guys, update ko lang kayo ulit pag papunta na tayo or nandun na tayo sa Surigao parking lot. Then ipapark po natin ang ating car for 5 days doon. Catch you later. Time check guys, it's already 5 p.m. and we are now in Santiago, Surigao del Norte. We are 1 hour and a half away from Surigao Port and it's raining. So update ko kayo ulit kung anong oras kami makakarating doon. Actually, ang estimated is 6:34. So let's see guys, kasi umuulan. Raining hard and it is only 5:18. Medyo madilim na guys. We are an hour away sa ating destination. So hatid kami ng free dito sa sa Surigao Port from this parking lot. So iniwan muna namin. Ito yung place kung saan kami ng park. Ihatid kami ng libre guys. Yan o. kanina, nandito na kami, nakaabot po kami ng 7:30 ngayong gabi. So, ayan. Yung ano, regular is 5:20. So, boarding na.
My crew, screaming that's my crew. Baby, that's my crew. On a weekday with crew, I'm ready to blow. We make it look real easy, but
Update guys, we are now in Siargao. So nandito na kami sa Dapa. Yung travel was like 2 hours and 15 minutes. Ayan. So punta na tayo sa ating homestay for tonight.
The next day.
we welcome you to the show.
Good morning everyone! So finally, it's our first day here in Siargao and we're gonna do surfing.
Barog ka, ano mag coffee one by one lang. Kadol? And then your foot like that, okay? Up your little bit more up your feet, and then as you say paddle, but up. Imong kamot sa atong board. Push up, like pop up.
Rising up like a phoenix says, been tired of pushed down the ground. Speaking my heart like it really is, 'cause I can't take another no. I see, I like, I go, I get, no one can holding me back. I see, I like, I go, I get, go, I get, go, I get, go, I get now.
Lunch tayo guys. Tapos na tayong nag-freshen up.
Nag-guts tayo.
Ryle is eating for the second time pero with bacon na medyo sunog. Daming dogs guys. Oh. Daming. 1, 2, ayun. Hi guys, update. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Siago kasi dito tayo nag-lunch. And we're just waiting for Ryle. Nagsiswim siya ngayon sa pool. And pinayagan naman siya mag-swim kahit na pang guest lang na naka-check-in dito ngayon. Since hindi naman kami naka-check-in dito, we just need to pay 500 pesos. And yeah, ayun, pinakita ko na yung view kung nasan kami. We are in Siago. I'm gonna show you where is he. Ayun. Ryle! Wave! Wave! There. And then, Daddy is there. Yan yung view. And then, Achi. Update namin kayo kung saan kami after. Siguro mag-check-in na kami. Catch you later. So guys, we're going to the tourism road. We're gonna just shop a little bit. Titingnan natin kung ano ang ating mabibili. Ang dami oh, vlogging the vlogger. Ang dami namin nagba-vlog. Kasi ang ganda tong place na to guys. Ang ganda. And yeah, okay naman yung presyo niya. So, catch you later. So, ito yun guys. Yan o. Diba? Tapos, yun na yung Siago. Yan, yung beach area nila. Thank you. You're welcome. This is the place where we're staying. Puyo Suites. Ito yung road papuntang Hanglus. And then, ang lapit lang niya, yan na yung Isla Cabana and then yung tourism road. So near. Ito na ang aming accommodation for 4 nights. Take off shoes daw. So, lahat ng shoes ilalagay dito. Yan ang sabi. Check-in na tayo. Anong room tayo? Stairs going up. Pero room 6 kami. Yep. Dito tayo sa Halika. Bibili tayo ng gelato.